Ashafo me mama kwaba ediba Xposed GH you see no Ghana and beyond. I ensembi and nam ape fontain time so I own social media TikTok especially. I am mame akosia goddess. Mame moon goddess. I wakan hu biom na hanen nsem na wakan ho no ebia wo onim de aba onim ne esi onim asem ne fi e fare by bebi a ekoni bebi ekosi o kai se emre bi eduye na akosia moon goddess after say obeka na na mama brown any asamwa gya mo asem ni nan ai on say between Afia Schwar any delay no won say o kan say delay ni Afia Schwar e kun tokwa ni na Afia Schwar betina TV so na wo ye den was 3 delay mas delay mpo ekosun wo movement TV so o sun ye okase she will even give up wa bread na ko focus wo dia wo twa wo nuane mpoa na akosie mon goddess so be ye video bi ono dia wambodin na esanse Ghana fo nim dia si between delay any Afia Schwar 17 wambodin na Ghana focus dia mon goddess eye nyina de ene kire se wo de mame Valentina aye friend Afia Schwar ene sa dia wo de no na Ghana fosi wenye sa odi ono na enumwa na asa atwimwa koban ya won se Afia Schwar so aso peso de na adwen ebema sa asemwe na esense won peso de na adwen me won se no odi ni prie akwa akosi ye papa ye nua bema odi tonado so se ne odi so gina no so o kase ne mamma mai eye gay dabi no si ogun goddess here and won se me de ma adwen man but still na won se no moon goddess ni nsem ye den koso moon goddess ni nsem ni ye den koso pa na oni ansa ni ye be koso no me pese ye kohwe video na ye maame ana ye nua ba akosia moon goddess ye fa Valentina ho a do wamboni din nanso hwemu a na se ni oye ni na efa Valentina ho no ma yen kohwe video ni ye de embra na ye ba ye be kire mu ni ye ma se ni ye be ya Afia Schwar ebe sere no ata se ahwefo mo yen kohwe video ni ye de embra
ye old soul ne past life wa wo ni ye mu manyina dada wa mo amusha atete no obi tumi wo 11 oba be sia tumi wo 12 okona of cry egusu wo ho me nana cry say owo 10 enti obi wo ho oba wo sa wie na the next lifetime no on be wo bebre sa fi say wo bebre sa na ya na wo ntumi nhwe wo ho emre a wo de be hwe wo nyina wo de be hwe wo nkola enti tem bia sa ema no mo ni omo ho hwe omo bra na omo nyi na omo ba be hwe omo enti in the next lifetime no there is no way anyankopon be ka say wo sambra wiase be wo bebre bre sa eno no next lifetime wo be ye adwuma nya sika de wo ho de bo life enti wo sika no wo de be siesie wo ho wo de bi be hwe njanka wo de bi be hwe omo hia amoa ade bi wo sa atọchi ma wo sika no esanse wo ni obi a wo se wo ja na japade no wo de boa baby a wo free baby a wo be kwa akopie that moment no enti se obi a be pie oman we mu na se onwo ya onye eboni o enye se ebia ni baby ni ho as oba wo hwe na oyo oba te se wo owo nofo owo eto fine ni ho ofe munyina mo ye ma mo ho ofa mo wo man num enti se wo wetumi awo na so obi ntumi wo ya enu nkyere se eye boni bia waye wo se wutumi bia wa no edika se mani tuna radio susu
ahwefo na wo nsene video ne tie no ai when na nam so na enhwe sene ya trontroye wo no enu de obi na ape na wakotena se aman indirectly man na say ye de Valentina banka wo hwe mami live video na wo ye na wambo obi edin but indirect Ghana for feel say Afia Schwar wo was shaded mame delay what I say the best interviewer Ghana for ni mo man we mu na engohwe mu no enu video we enam video we so na Afia Schwar ga che de yi neni onu de ayese we de onka obi onso obi abeka no we yi neni aso onka wasem obeka wasem onka wasem obeka wasem ena nde de o se kai onu de oye social media mafia, social media gangster, social media commando we ye wo de bema wo de bullet three bar obeto ba akopɛ ahwe betume bu nkofo otu an ono de bo ba akopɛtume yi no masses because nenum sem de ano oya enana wuni mu se utwase de o se wa fa ne se ne national anthem itieye we de wa maye utwase mu di oye video wo siri akosuamu goddess we de ono ne video ne de wa ye ne direct ama Ghana ana se ne oye no ama Ghana hu se odi akosuamu goddess ai akeka nsem bi mu de ye de awuom wakeka nsem bi mu na mu goddess kra no wudi utie yanto wase na wo share video na wo like ma ye nkohwe video na Afia Schwar esiri Afia mu goddess nye den emba ye ba ye besa to aso.
Hi, this is your sister Afia Moon Goddess. Today I'm going to do reading on Akosia Reed Goddess. Spirit, show me more on Akosia Reed Goddess. You see, this has appeared twice. In fact, 3 times. The heart has appeared 3 times. The universe is angry with you. The universe is angry with you. The 5 of hearts is too much read. The 4 of hearts is too much social media story. And the spirit is repeating it 3 times. Spirit, you see, even when you come here, the 2 of hearts, change your read, change your read. The ace of hearts, change your read. And the king with the sword and the queen with the sword. Spirit, show me more on.
Oshe video ya Afia Schwar ya was repa. Obi be say she's really mocking Afia Moon Goddess. To the extent say was say kra onye Moon Goddess o ye weed goddess. Utumu say na adwen ne say ana ohu ne say Afia Akosia Moon Goddess so okotena baby a no wo hyehye no nom ne tampe ana wonunum abefo endroyi a abuba sui abefu nkole entramo yi no num bi na odi na adwum frana no abepe baby anya ade tuntum ade kokko bi esi baby na osi wo keka nkonfo intasem etutumu se ma Afia Schwar me sure kan se mami wo hwe na oye weed goddess just wo num ntampe pa wo hye ntampe entampe na afa ne trim na adwum abodam wonim de ama o siri de wo siri bi pa wa moke no ama wa ye no ono so ahya ate kokko se na wo hwe video no wa hye na tare kokko anu de wa koto spa se na mami ayese cars no kita no ono su kita cars pepepe na wo siri ni ye na siri na wo siri ni ye no ensem de bi sori wo Ghana pa o Moon Goddess watena sia no se eye ne se Ghana fo ni di agro asa Ghana fo ni di agro ayem se asem na ba ye no won bo obi edin onu di oba life no obeka de wonim onipa ne be confess because oye video na o expect say onipa ne mbra mba confess no ntire se eye wono ba nipa na confess but indirectly no nipa na ba be mo ke no na ye ne se onu ye wi ni a ene se se de obekire Ghana fo so onye wi ni going to omo commenting kwasi asem woni video so omo ka omo adwen omo ye de to the extent I to say asem kofo ya afa ne say odi agoro no mami abekese se they were invoking a spirit abubola Laviata di the goddess the sea goddess mami wote to me e won suom when they were yebi uhwe ni video ni mu a wasusu eja wuri dale utumu se we die nani abre pa asade na wen Ghana fo nim so odi agro na on di agro nti ma yenkohwe video na ye mami Akosia Moon Goddess ye nua bai nani abre o invoke curses Onu dey still now won go din here. Now we making it say whoever is mocking whatever is doing, whoever is thinking she's joking, especially going to the people who are talking even negative energy into whatever she's doing, you know, or no, she's being positive. It is she's invoking curses. May those people never rest. Ashafo kasane ya ebebre ma yenko hwe video ni eden embra ne ye ba ye besa to aso.
Baby girl, it's time to play. Since it's play you want. Yeah, people think I'm joking, so they want to play. I'm gonna say and I'm ready for everything. If I've ever mentioned your name, if I have mentioned your name on my profile, wait for it. It's time to play, baby. You called for it. All of them. Fuck you. I grew up in a woman, so. See, some bullshit. Drag him. Baphomet. In the name of the powerful presence, I invite sacred spirit. I invite Baphomet. I invite the sea goddess Laviata to drag these people through the mud. May they never know peace. May they disappear and vanish in thin air. So be it. I sacrifice them. I give them suffering, pain. I send back the bad energies they are putting into the universe. They should confess whilst nobody is asking them. They should crawl and run and confess what they've done whilst nobody is chasing them. I've called you. Come and help. Let's fix the seed. I'm going to wait. If I understand, I'm going to go there. When you read goddess. Hey, Spirit, this my sacrifice list. It's long pound. Ultimate falling under a lot of categories. Just one person falls under a lot of categories. Anyone I sacrifice, they should feel the hell on earth. Those under my comment section misbehaving. All of you, it's time to experience what I've been talking about. Hey, it's time to play. It's time to play. Yeah. Ni pass away Jimmy Abodam. Hey, Shale, if Abodam sing wo. Mama chance, and no chance we obia. Mama chance. She say, fire baby man one. And no chance we obia. And no chance we 2 million. Mama we photo have been fair enough. He said, I don't just do things. I give people chance. And I've given you the chance, and you are using that chance to play. Okay. Brian Pipan, so you are not some sense you are mediana. I am in Nana, dear. I am in Nana, Nadia. Fuck you. So be it, Spirit. My job is done. I've done mine, and I let go of any hate, any insult that came with my work, any negativity that came with me passing the messages over. I leave all, I give all with this sacrifice. I give it all out with this sacrifice, and I don't hold anything in my heart. I completely surrender. I've done mine. Leviathan, Baphomet, universe, all the spirit entity in the universe. I command you to put these people through hell. Drag them. Make them cry for help. Drag them. I am done. I completely wash my hands of this, and I won't help anyone. I'm done with my job. Thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit. Thank you. Thank you, spirit. Thank you. Thank you for setting hell in people's life.
I shall forsake the uncle video no. When the mommy akosiamu goddess when dia agro ne serie na wostri ni na se wanka se otumi hwe movies in Ghanaian movie, Nigerian movies, other movies na hu se busuma na tumi bi sere a no sere ha na utumu se na enibre enya agro serie wa invoke curses na utumu se wo hwe ne video ni ma na wo kasa no wo kese ne wo body edim bi te se Laviata no invoking say oni pe biara one negative energy against whatever she is doing, no. Sankofo they should suffer and confess. Confess it to the universe. Confess it, brepa. Now one crown indirectly. Videos no. One more comment feel say. Onu di nkofo nim ni awoye no because wo hwe video ni ma omaye hu say nkofo adwene se odi agro nkofo adwene se odi agro to this time around here utumu say ade bi da nanim a wonyam a obi bebisa wonyam nipatio ana wonyam den Ghana adwene na wo chim ene minim ene de honestly I don't know onu na wonim ni awoye and we will want to see the result of it. Ghana for show after for send out way they say send akoye oye utumu say send Afia Schwar snake so to me bodua ye mama Valentina to me bodua na expect say be ye adwuma no de ye mama akosiam gọds ye eno pa na yeso ye pese ye hu see ye be hu result what I say I am say no Afia Schwar snake say ni nsem to no na onu de otumi bodua ntentem no eno onu so hie onipa onu de ondi agrokra onu de omiti Mami watani goddess and a spirit now or invoke me face to face. Onu di oye bi pa where they was share your tiano where they know be or anya fe no oko say Afia Schwar stand there oye oko omo nchen there be we die ne there onu omo na edi kwanto bom onu omo na ekoba onu omo nante omo ye ne nyonko prekope ne maame ne papa because she's doing what utumubeka ne purpose in life oye na no su na adwuma na oye den oye no. Now coming back to it, Mamia Kasa, or says Senkofuni ni diagro one won't burn a comment that say no more deep so she is fooling. Oh, come on, this time around she's not fooling. What can I say? Invoke the one invoke spirit, a dear who draw one body a dozen. No, what should I say? The spirit in Tio, Laviata Sun Tio, and you grown the goddess of the sea, and you grown the among money sense foam. Omuno BNT, only baby on person because whoever is adding negative energy. And so in my home where we are seeing here, they don't have negative energy. When you're fooling them, you have to be positive energy. What I say to the negative energy, do material or money one daily. I'm gonna day and daily. Now, issue, mammy issue a Ghana for can one semble na. Or no person chile say, or no dear, a intestament Ghana for nim because so kaya or buy a bet chile say. Cast away obi ni mubi onipa ni meyi nano Ansis Williams away obi ni mubi on meyi nano I to say onu de wa ba se ensema akoko so aye ni a solution ye ni monipa kro cause all those deaths no she has come to reveal it to Ghanaians and ye bia question na me bi so unu ya be ma me so me bisa Ghana for the question is ya suffer wo Ghana apart from say yembra mbaji ye die ni tumi no ensem bi wo na secret ensem bi e koso no do they reveal it to Ghanaians one enya kukudu abo abonten etuma kase o say ni say eye we na aye iti onu aba na all reveal the information and meme na wo ye nimu na ye feel so odi agora na she is not joking na unim as a issue ya esa koso yi na Canada TV uko social media pages anya Tracy Buachi eye mami agrada anya mami agrada eye mami delay enya mami delay ogboro herself Afia Schwar enya Schwar eye tornado na mun gọds ibe mutumu se se di oya chinkofo post no obi kra aka se kire po se Ghana dia rewo wo man we mu na ye dia rewo na ye die ni kofo de ye nja o mo sa because unya force upon senior economic hardship wo man mu na se wo fa ofo na hu o mo asem ya ye nja o mo ma ye ninji sa because arewo we ni so no then at least they take your mind off the problems and the troubles you are what having no be so kire se o man ya ye timi o show how ni o kwa mono ni kese and brankofo obo making sure say o man be developing ye die concept nkwa me de nya me Ghana for na ye den coming to it that me catch us say aha Xposed you see no Ghana and beyond unia bema me din nsem ibreo me din limo elike kwame ameka obetimi afrem me effocant nsem ni de ewo bebre se mon goddess de buy ye de bebro twa notification button ni ye den eto ye posti a obehu ye posti a obete we will bring it to you pin to ye de bebro ade memo we ho Ghana ade che awewo bia wo bia de be ni je be den epepreo na dia akosemu goddess owo ka chege Ghana fo ni na itie nefe ne kode se ne fia so snega so tumi bodua no ene mu goddess chere Ghana fo se ene wo no so waye krado and from that day no kese no those cases should start taking effect. Whatever she invoked should start taking effect. Only biara or add it to a negative thing around whatever she's doing, no, they should face the consequences. It's Ghana for the since Sembi says here now we are waiting for the result. After 4, now me catch you say aha Xposed GH na comment it share what dream that's a ne unim ye besa ye den ye besa shia in some ni ye be brebe den ebebro oh here akosem goddess na Afia Schwar nsem na nhwe bebia Xposed GH e mu odin ni mu ode na me so de unim me gege nsem ni me meka information ni kwa kire okeke aye be bobo nsem no that's ne ye besa shia tweme ye besa babio